Hi, and welcome to the another video by Take Online Class. Today we will be talking about the popular educational software, MyITLab. Though this software is very common, and several students use it for learning about computers, many of its secret features are not well known. So today, we will be talking about some lesser-known features of MyITLab. Number 1. Embedded accessibility toolbar. Many times, the disabled and less lucky sections of our society are often overlooked despite their unique needs. However, Pearson has given them a thought and embedded an accessibility toolbar in the simulations, which improves accessibility for the students who have disabilities, including offering text-to-speech functionality. Number 2. Comprehensive online course content. MyITLab is filled with a veritable treasure of reference and content that is fully integrated with your textbook. The MyLab platform enables you to very easily add, remove and modify the currently existing instructional material. It also lets teachers add their own custom course content to match the needs of the students. This makes for a powerful custom textbook editor that enables the teacher to modify the material to match their teaching style and student and #39s requirements. Number 3. Pearson Inclusive Access Model. This feature is handy to help students get their MyITLab homework answers because it provides them with pocket-friendly and high-quality digital course material well before the first day of class. The benefits of this are manifold. Not only do less well-off students gain access to good quality course reference material, but the teachers also don't and #39s lose any teaching time as all students are prepared with the course material on day 1. Hopefully you found this video interesting and useful. Before going, do remember to subscribe to this channel for more great videos uploaded regularly. If you think we left anything out, do mention them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.